Happy Monday, you guys. I hope you had a great weekend. So today you guys were continuing with the weather tools. And the first one you guys had was a wind vane. It's an instrument used to tell which direction the wind is blowing. So it's telling if it's north, south, east, or west. Your question that you had that you were answering on the Google form, just like what you did on Friday, that you answered on the Google form on Friday, was what are two ways that a wind vane is useful? So it helps you predict if a storm is coming. You can also know which way the storm is coming from. And the wind vane also shows that a change in the weather is about to happen because the wind direction changed. So these were what you did on Friday. So then an anemometer is an instrument used to measure wind speed and direction. So how do you think an anemometer has changed and improved since the first one was made over 500 years ago? Okay, so I think technology has changed and improved the anemometer because with technology, we can track the data, temperature, wind direction, and air pressure measurements from the anemometer. 500 years ago, they didn't have computers and stuff to store the data that this anemometer collected. They probably wrote it down in books. So now we have technology to track it in computers, and then they can see like bar graphs and things like that compare the different years and the different seasons and the different months. So then the next instrument you guys had was a barometer, an instrument used to tell the pressure of the air, or to tell if the pressure in the air is going up or down. When it goes up, it tells you that day will be sunny and dry. So high pressure, remember, means sunny and dry, happy weather. When it goes down, so you have low pressure, the day will be stormy and wet. Remember, low pressure means lousy weather. And we've already kind of talked about this with air pressure. So why is it important to be able to tell if the pressure in the air is going up or down? It is important because it helps us predict the weather and understand weather patterns. Again, so that was all right in the text that you guys read. You just needed to make a sentence of it. So this was what you guys did on Friday in the Google Forms. So make sure you check over your work that you did. Make sure you have that Google form filled out, and you guys will be good to go. So this week is short. So you just have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday that I'm going to be posting anything because Friday starts spring break and you won't have anything new to do during spring break. So you'll have a little bit of a project to do this week in science. And I'll explain in the next video how to do that and how to turn it in. So make sure you guys are watching all the videos. Also, during spring break, you guys need to take that time to make sure you don't have anything else that you need to get caught up on. So you're going to make sure everything's turned in. And so then after spring break, you guys can start fresh. Okay? All right. Have a great Monday. Make sure you move on to the next video.